Very good afternoon, class 7th. How are you all? I hope सभी लोग अच्छे होंगे और घर पे रह करके पढ़ाई कर रहे होंगे. In chapter 3 we have completed all the things, okay, and now we are going to start our new chapter with chapter 4, heat. Okay, that is उष्मा. हीट को क्या कहते हैं हम? उष्मा कहते हैं. ठीक है बच्चों. Let us begin with the new chapter, heat. Heat means उष्मा होता है. In chapter 3 you learnt that woolen clothes are made from animal fiber. चैप्टर 3 में आपने पढ़ा था कि जो क्लोथ्स होते हैं मेड फ्रॉम एनिमल फाइबर्स, वुलन क्लोथ्स. ओके, यू ऑल्सो नो दैट कॉटन क्लोथ्स आर मेड फ्रॉम प्लांट फाइबर्स. यू विल नो दैट कॉटन क्लोथ्स आर मेड अप फ्रॉम plant fiber. So let's introduce this chapter. We wear woolen clothes during winters when it is cold outside. Okay, definitely yes. What we do, we wear woolen clothes during winters when it is cold outside. Okay, and woolen clothes keep us warm. Woolen clothes क्या करता है, हमें गर्म रखता है. We prefer to wear light colored cotton clothes when it is hot. Definitely yes. When it is sunny days or it is hot, what we do, we prefer to wear light colored clothes. ठीक है, हल्का कपड़ा पहनते हैं, सूती वस्त्र. This gives us a feeling of coolness, and what it does, it gives us a feeling of coolness. You might have wondered why particular types of clothes are suitable for particular season. ओके ना, आपको ये जान के आश्चर्यचकित होता होगा कि भाई ये पर्टिकुलर सीजन के लिए पर्टिकुलर क्लोथ ही क्यों है ना. तो आप देखिए, इन विंटर यू फील कोल्ड इनसाइड हाउस. डेफिनेटली यस, you feel cold inside the house. Okay, if you come out in the sun you feel warm. In summer you feel hot even inside the house. How do we know whether an object is hot or cold? जिस तरह से हम देखते हैं कि भाई हमें सर्दी लगती है तो हम घरों में अपने आप को ठंड महसूस करते हैं, लेकिन when we come out what we do, what we feel warm. Okay, in summer आप तो डेफिनेटली हम क्या करते हैं कि बेसिकली हम इस चीज़ को फील करते हैं, लेकिन हम ये कैसे जानेंगे कि ऑब्जेक्ट हॉट और कोल्ड कैसे होता है? हाउ डू वी फाइंड हाउ हॉट और कोल्ड एन ऑब्जेक्ट इज? ओके, इन दिस चैप्टर वी शैल ट्राई टू सीक आंसर्स टू सम ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चंस. ओके ओके, लेट्स बिगिन विथ हॉट एंड कोल्ड. 4.1. In our day-to-day life, we come across a number of objects. Some of them are hot. Okay, so ice cream, that is cold and cool. Spoon in a teacup, what you feels? वो वार्म होता है. टी कप. फ्रूट जूस, कूल. एंड उसके बाद हैंडल ऑफ अ फ्राइंग पैन, इट इज वार्म और हॉट. यू नो वेल. ओके ओके, so and some of them are cold. You can see here, some of them are hot and some of them are cold. Tea is hot and ice is cold. List some objects you use commonly in table 4.1. Mark these objects as hot or cold. Okay, I already marked, so you can see by previewing the video. Okay, do not touch objects which are too hot. Be careful while handling a candle flame or stove. Okay, you can be aware of these all things. Be careful while handling a candle flame or a stove. We see that some objects are cold while some are hot. You also know that some objects are hotter than others. Okay, while some are colder than others. How do we decide which object is hotter than the other? We often do it by touching the objects. But is our sense of touch reliable? Let us find out. What it says that some objects are cold while some are hot, definitely. And it is saying that is our sense of touch reliable? Let us find out. Let's see the activity 4.1. Take three small tubs, that is containers, label them as A, B, and C. Put cold water in container A and hot water in container B. Mix some cold and hot water in container C. पहले में आपको क्या करना है, हॉट वाटर लेना है ना, एंड सॉरी कोल्ड वाटर लेना है, एंड बी में हॉट वाटर, और मिक्स करना है हॉट एंड कोल्ड वाटर को कंटेनर सी में. नाउ डिप योर लेफ्ट हैंड इन कंटेनर ए. कंटेनर ए में आप अपना जो लेफ्ट हैंड है उसको डालेंगे, एंड इन द राइट हैंड इन कंटेनर बी. आफ्टर कीपिंग द हैंड्स इन द टू कंटेनर्स फॉर 2 to 3 minutes, put both the hands simultaneously in the container C. Do both the hands get the same feeling? Okay. Bujo says my left hand tells me that the water is mug C is hot, and the right hand tells me that the same water is cold. What should I conclude? Bujo's conclusion shows that we cannot always rely on our sense of touch to decide whether an object is hot or cold. Sometimes it may deceive us. ठीक है. Then how do we find out how hot an object really is? A reliable measure of the hotness of an object is its temperature. And you underline these things, very important. Temperature is measured by a device called a thermometer. Okay, इसको हम थर्मामीटर कहते हैं. ठीक है बच्चों, आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं थर्मामीटर का इमेज हुआ है, इमेज है ये. ठीक है, चलिए उसका मेजरिंग टेम्परेचर, तापमान को कैसे नापते हैं, मापते हैं. ठीक है, चलिए. मेजरिंग टेम्परेचर. हैव यू सीन अ थर्मामीटर? Recall that when you or someone else in your family had fever, okay, the temperature was measured by a thermometer. The thermometer that measures our body temperature is called clinical thermometer. Okay, उसको हम clinical thermometer कहते हैं. Hold the thermometer in your hand and examine it carefully. If you do not have a thermometer, request a friend to share it with you. आपके पास अगर नहीं है तो आप अपने मित्र से आग्रह कर सकते हैं उसके लिए. A clinical thermometer looks like the one shown in figure 4.2. You can see here 4.2 I showed you earlier. A clinical thermometer. Okay, a clinical thermometer consists of a long, narrow, uniform glass tube. Okay, a clinical thermometer consists of a long, narrow, uniform glass tube. It has a bulb at one end. इसके पास एक एंड पे बल्ब होता है. This bulb contains mercury. Okay, जिसको हम पारा कहते हैं, और पारा का जो होता है फॉर्मूला Hg. ठीक है. Outside the bulb, a small shining thread of mercury can be seen. Okay, shining mercury can be seen. If you do not see the mercury thread, rotate the thermometer a bit till you see it. You will also find a scale on the thermometer. The scale we use is the Celsius scale, indicated by degree Celsius. Okay, so you can see, you can find the clinical thermometer by watching the bulb of the one end, and after the you can see the mercury thread. Okay, if you don't, you can little bit move the mercury to and fro. Okay, now Bujo wondered which of the two scales shown in figure 4.2 he should read. Pali told him that India has adopted the Celsius scale and we should read that scale. The other scale with the range 94 to 108 degrees is the Fahrenheit scale, that is degree Fahrenheit. It was in use earlier. वो पहले के ज़माने में होता था. चलिए हम देखते हैं. A clinical thermometer reads temperature from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. Okay, now we are going to read the thermometer in the next class. For this class, I hope कि you all understood the introduction about the heat, whatever the chapter 3 suggests you. okay, by starting the uh, woolen clothes which are made from the animal fibers, okay, and the cotton clothes which are made from plant fibers. So definitely, if you don't have any doubt, so be ready for the next reading a thermometer in the next class. But if you have any queries or doubts regarding the chapter, you can comment me on the comment section, okay. So that's all for today's class. Thank you.